Ton escalate na uchi no. Ton car na pomasi enim no. Never ko to scanning machine si won. Also ye nipa. Otina kroma di atem ka kire say ababone ye John Mahama na abapa ye Kufuado. Uri Yesu eda Ghana for udi atro etu Yesu so. After all these things, share the eba no. John Mahama kai o say na Kufuado Jimmy na o Jimmy ye no. O metena ka say Kufuado Jimmy ye nti. Obema bibia jegu. Nana Kufuado Ado any baumia 4.8 billion and on GAD so the agenda 111 hospital 4.8 billion. Because I want to add into the MPP in your press conference and can say I can't do 4.8 billion. It's because I'm paying way and then call for this it doesn't work like that. Life needs to go on. We need to build. But the only way we can build is to make sure the NPP never come close to power. That is the biggest punishment we can give these twerps. Because when you give them room to come to power, then all that we are doing today is a waste of time. The only punishment, a such a punishment, is to block them from coming to power. And the Kufuado catcher say, Yensi agenda 111. En kwasiafo kwaje boba free Israel, elbeto aminemu so bisi cathedral. So refi. En kwasiafo we ebubu jaje for dying. Ebubu aban dan tugu se Kufuado se one na Nyankopon kromfobia fa hye na Nyankopon bibo na Onyankopon papa no hye de bo a uwia aban sika e de kosi dan ma no e che sa Onyankopon no e kromfo. This is the same clown walking around Ghana telling us ye de ne bo be ma no e bo papa ben ana me hu se MP for kan kwa se bi Kufuado nyini che na amanfo be pa ocho wan na be Kufuado che wan na wa wiase odim nyanso be Kufuado che enkwasiade a we be ye no. We are going to make our own mistakes as a nation. Governance is not smooth. But that does not mean we should give credence to Kufuado. Kaya mwa. Nana do danko Kufuado yi tumi yen wujimi ojimi ogana. And you people feel say ye tikron mu no ye nim de na ekwa na. You people think say ye nwan ye gu Ghana. Onyini nche no mbre na ohun de ekoso. Mempo de mempese obewu mempese odi 300 years na obre. Nobody wish Kufuado dead. I want Kufuado to live for long. Sene be obohu ne kwasia. Obehun kwasiade anka oso ye na nka Ghana ejina ne naso. So nobody is wishing Kufuado to die. Me Kufuado wouldn't be me ya. I want him to live to like 170 years. Na ordinary hu say me di nkwasiasem ka me ye nyama ye anka nkwasiasem we nkansi. Me pese ohumu MPP for no the way a Ghana be treat him say moa. I want him to witness it. And you people one day will go back and attack Kufuado and say it is because of your foolish leadership. It is because of we cannot come close to power. A day will come, you people will demonstrate against the Kufuado and say he is the evil. Because nobody wants to be associated with a group of piglets. So I know say Kufuado Ghana for we know what governance is. Things are going to be hard along the way, which we understand. Sometimes it's going to be a roller coaster. We understand. But that does not mean it's a Kufuado way. We are going to go back and say, Kufuado, yes, the Kufuado, the Papa Beno, yeah, as president. Kufuado can and quite same way, not Nehine Sudichi or Chehine, or Nessa Hospital be in Krum, 100 years near ye. All the GMPs for Sika Aya Party, no, none refuse live band. Ye live band bar, ye better miss the hospital, and this about power. Kufuado can quite some, Nehine so, and the Ochehine Swakasa. Mumian Koti Kufuado Hene.
And Tiana said, hospital for Brewasem. Now, when you say you're checking, now as I say, oh, friend, a copacho, or bamu, and sana, ubiayo. Not only say me, my frustrated, but the nurses and doctors are also equally frustrated. 100 years later, there's no scan machine in Chebe Hospital. 100 years later, there's no quality laboratory in Chebe Hospital. They send them to Kofodia somewhere else. And even if they have to do the lab, sometimes it costs 4,200 cedis for a patient. How are they going to pay for it? So sometimes it's sad that you can correct certain things, but you're not resourceful enough. You don't have it. And not just laid out what he's done in the health system. And I'm aware. He appointed people to take care of this. He appointed people to build accommodations for doctors and nurses. How in the hell do we ask people to come and serve us when they have no place to stay? Doctors have left their families to come and work here. Young people. So not only do we talk about what could be done, but you talk about what you have to do. Action. Do it. I believe in the Nike slogan. Just do it.
Mr. Abuachi, what you gotta do? So I don't mean that here. We gotta see here, man, you know. We gotta see here at a hospital. You know, to take a scan is gonna be 4,000 cities. Why can we live in a country like that? You just for taxi for accident or digital. And we can live a young and then you are an advocate for young doctors. Nana, Mr. Abuachi, today you are advocating. Today you have become a motivational speaker. Onyankopo hata suebi o lefti intra. Eduaba no, eduaba papa no, eduaba boni na uye campaign na okatwie mu odin ekere Ghana fo no. Ure fi se eduaba papa na o man to me 8 years no. Oya kwata. Na onim se Chebi Hospital, there was no scan machine there. Mo inkonwa na moteso no ene na be jeje mo. On send there, you are in the UK. You are receiving treatment at a hospital. For 8 years, ahimfia kese ne kasa kese na mutine mu Ghana. Inscription kese ne flag kese ne siso. Enkasetia ne ayampia ene atenie na wudie. Ufrantuma na otie kurase Mr. Abuachi. Ena de na enim because wabusuani a wayesa bosomedi president nti ya. At a point you can just say ya be for ma. Wo. Mr. Abuachi. And the way frantuma ka slangs. Wakochi taxi ma otwago obekire slangs. Na abosom na yedi usi omo so no yeso moti slangs. The Chebi Hospital needs a mechanical machine and tie break na ka de tie ase the eduaba no na o kan twi. O kan ya kan Bible quotation na to so. Ene de won say 8 years no na woti echebi no na scan machine na bi wo ho. Ene de wan kai ayampia o de wahenie ne dane na champon nyom. O de dane daddy lumba nyom. Ekutia bo ene ayampia na 8 years obo Ghana for udi atam na obu mungiyaro na mu bugala na mu buni pate and there's obi ajimi and what brofo and nana we peje wa betri echirechirem onsa na adwumi no kase o UK you are receiving treatment. There should have been a multi-million hospital, well-equipped hospital at Chibi. 8 years you never spoke about hospitals at Chibi. You never spoke about scan machines at Chibi. Your interest was to insult others who did not agree with your relative who was messing the nation up. Mudi hine to say, dear Muya catering teachers. Oh, for carrot to mix it with Maggie Cube. Make sure the rice is 14 cups. I know if you say, cooking is science. Ya ma amenu tumunya enkwai or sanchini gun in senu ato onimdodo abetrim. Nano yankon school. It is not cooking school. Obekwa kwaje certificate na chese obetume nue aduane achen antimuni. May her soul rest in peace. You are people who have disappointed us. Now 8 years they could for the baby president, no. Now when you say scan machine ni wo. Now chrome na scan machine ni wo. You can't see dimatem. You were close to power. You were given GMPC money to just have a party. A party. Today is slanging. Now konya at slangs. Akonya na what is no. Slangs beneti. I left Ghana on Sunday. I left the same time you left. I left the same time you left. You were going to the UK for health treatment. Why didn't you stay at Chebi? You didn't because you crossed it. You didn't for 8 years. You were not bold enough to tell that dwarf that build a health facility here that will have enough scans. You never did that. Now what try yampia? Ediaba bone no. Ne diaba bone ne nya ne yete ne diaba pa ba adan ne yentra ho ma na edua yetete krom ha insem hunu ne edi ye nyina. And you see, we keep telling you people mon kanokre. Some of you get close to power and you think we are all stupid. Mo ya no matagi ye we do NDC ni we do omu ade we de odani fie enso mo ya nkwara ansa na munyini ya ntia mo ya nka no kranche mutina mo nyini so still mo hu de osam ye. And that is the problem I have with you people. And your personal, it's about your principles. Your principles are bad. At a point, now the Yesu Christo and Ebu in Kofuating. Now the Yesu Christo, now the Bible, na etwa yampia. Odane na ne champon. Odane dad lumba. Na otina kunyuma. Na ojin say, to me, sebio to me, and to me ndane. And na udi ye nyinani ya maamene mwatemu. Urefi ho. And there you are slanging. Who are you slanging to? Chebi, for 100 years, For 100 years, for 8 good years, you could not tell your family member that he needed to build a hospital that had a scan machine. You couldn't do that. I'm my dear. When the Kufuor was president, Agenda 111, all free power, now also we see a Okoye inspection for politics. Now you betuaba. A Kufuor could say a dine to uncompleted. Omu penti a dine overnight. And the Kufuor could catch a Ghana for say, we see Agenda 111. This is the hospital. This is the Kufuor. Agenda 111 any. What do you see, Jimmy?
I don't know whether there's a code.
Actually, there's something here. It's not like construction. There's no equipment to show you how it's operating and how they receive. The guy is still even fixing this place. So I appreciate
how you receive the body, how you prepare, how you store, how you give back to the family. Is this where is there pathology equipment, uniform to do any? But why is the wall?
Hospital go for the Jaini, Agenda 111 hospital Jaini. And the Oka just a chebi 100 years ni hospital is was scanning him. Na kana uchi the tongue to scan besime. Nana medo no homo. Taxi nana uchi ni Jersey no crabra na ton na scan saying ton kana out is na flag is so ton for to scan na undo ni pana mo chebi nana. Mr. Wachi nipa na wudi omoso hene na sebio sika beka wunsemu no wudi esi ahimfie chenchenchen wifi wo mu no tonka na wutimu no baby out dey say ponko na ohia ponko to end na nka wie ekurokiti uhia Rolls Royce ekurokiti mu uhia Rolls Royce. You don't need Rolls Royce. It ton Jaguar no ton Rolls Royce no ton eye Escalade na uchi no tonka na pomasi enim no never koto scanning machine si wona so ye nipa. Otina kroma di atem ka kire say ababone ye John Mahama na abapa eye Kufuor. Odi Yesu eda Ghana for odi atro etu Yesu so.
Nsembebre wo ho. Yeah. And your son da pa. Yeah. Ah odi da ye chie. Yeah. Ana man na yetumi hia ne. Yeah. Nsemo a yenim efita ma Ghana benya fa wo de be sabri. Yeah. Me kan simi ho say and in the swa, Yempenny di canon pay for my Majid Asamba. Asamba, a war, ya by this year, and now the Danko Kufuor, the president. Name Penso, and Yahunya, and then Yanim dear, and then Yanibua for him, and then Yasuko Koye, Unya Penia. Sabina ni mradie no de oda o manu ye yo no odwe ho adamu fua eno nti senia minister kan no ono ano ba se esi mu ache ese Ghana ye yanga se tumi adwuma din na ye tumi pa ye sika ye de to on ye de hwe ye dachi na me se da nyina na ya fire bag na ye sresre or see, Najma Baviano, Nagana, a jab Bessiabo, Agana beyond aid no a chum, na Chroma ya Sika, I will be the Bayajmoha. And Yasada in Swatoing, and to me see a coin. In so much as at the pa, a Bochimamu, at the pa. Ghana Mamu, and the part Africa, I the Belgium. One way, dear Chase, one year Jumano, a year crapping gold for Mamuana Debbie.
Oh, time another campaign or Kia Mudaho Jiram Kia Mudahon and Oka, and there or cat slangs, excellent gunya. Nana, Mentao, Mundino cre, dino cre. Udino cra, or Yamaba Tunkum, Mundino cre. Ayampia kasachie ensama ka che Kufuor hu nyina no obo besia che president bia owo ewiase Kufuor motena patase na mo ye campaign 2020 October na ye kwa kotoaba October 2020 campaign na wotena chebiye ne binie anam refi me say ye the receipt be kire mo ama mo bedwane receipt
enya edisi onwi chebimpe ho no nwi achimpe ho odi ahweta Ghana hanyina ni dwuma pa a waye afa ba bia no nim se ono amu no efi ewu no to mu no sikani bre ni ho osom ana ewo ho oyo bia nka ne ya kan isika dama na nso opese ne nsaso obia so ntino odi hihye aba ema Ghana apaja enu ntina yen ya ho ase yenya edi hye ya odi Ghana so ya kan wo Bible mu Yesu Yesu no kan yo as in Matthew 7:16 to 20 Yesu no ka say I know Okyehene. This is not a gospel by Okyehene. It's a gospel by or see wa babeso na ye hu won wa babeso na ye be hu won dua pa biara eso abapa dua pa biara eso abapa na dua boni biara eso ababoni dua pa intumi nso ababoni da na dua boni nso intumi nso abapa nunti dua biara eso abapa no ena ebedi echi Yesu eno kan na dua boni nso ewom enso abapa no ye hye no Yesu na kan ochira mu makaka se osajifo na kan Yesu otie na ne ewom ni se ana doe uye dua panti one this is one factory aso abapa one village one dam aso abapa free HSS aso abapa planting for food and jobs aso abapa napgo kwala na nko sukufo wama wadwuma aso abapa bibi na aeroplane bi edro ekoma nkrofo hospitals no zipline for no so aso abapa and infrastructure akwan ewura mu akwata owaye nene nkofo tumi ni onuane ba krom akwan aye
na abapa no ene ukema eden abapa de tuma antos machine ba kwa amamo on politics na no mo yere Ghana na time we ye ohene o and the oslange chire you got to build this and then and the ana mutom so Kevin Taylor de on pay we asem omo receipt na be chire omo nipa ban ohene o this is October 2020 na ye kem o se aso abapa na abana eso ye no di ne na ada eso kotre aso aba ye tumi di na die one nation one factory so di aba no free SH di aba di ni nyina na nda wo kemu kaslan se kire me na me do but e do some time a mon ka no kore mon di no kore mo ka na ma politicians da ye afi mo hu ye de mo receipt ne be remind mu de bia Mr. Boachi on ferry ton Jaguar no ton Rolls Royce no chebi for munya demonstration kasa na nei ka na wutim no time na wo bedi ne na won tobi ya hini ntina wo to sa ka no ton koto machine besi hospital e kire wo ndo ukromfo e kire wo ekuro no so mo agimi e kire wo mo so mo de mutumi nkwa abro kire nkwohwa mo yare e kire wo bu eye nkofo odi o mo so hini so mo ye nkurasefo sa ubu o mo na ubu eye nipa no mo ti o mo sabio o mo apomudin a ton Rolls Royce no ton car na wa kire wo din egu anim no ton 4 wheel drive na wutwi na flags no ton koto machine abapa ni bi no because the kufu adba na onya cars we nyina 80 ton abapa no never koto machine be save nipa Pielto we gwa mode amunim de ba eye nchirechiremu mentan obia at a point Okyehene eye Mr. Boachi ka kire se ye maamenom eye abeifo because ye ka kire kufu ado se watena ho me ya boni pan wo twetuo Ekufuado asay mine one district one factory was a scam. One village one dam was a scam. Napco was a near catch Ekufuado nana ya bibi na udi abro undi no kre u ya sika papa we catch say ya ma menom ya before. Hey, receipt.
Then catch us you appreciating your yama omangana. Then you son mu and one home by. I tell me dear no abba obia so no kasano. Ingrasi forma. Say yes krasinia na wo obayifu. Ebi say me nim ade a papa no a yaka wiase fa na nyina obi yaka. Onyame no shira ye no de we mai. Say yes krasinia na wo obayifu. Ebi say me nim ade a papa no a yaka wiase fa na nyina obi yaka. Onyame no shira.
We de wonu masebo enye Yesu. Mo bi nka se Kevin Taylor akodi Okyehene atem. Sende utiche bi na wo complain ba aban we a na wonye beifu a na wankasa no sebio o ma me beifu nana. Dia o kan na me ma replica o me ma no ntia o. Dia o kan na ano no. Intende obi a wo problem with aban we bibi ekoye onyame na hwe wo no de ye dia maye. Nana enti wa bibi hawa o kaseti aban we na wa dwene wo se obetuma keti aban ma ban na wanye beifu a wankasa wanye beifu a na bia o ma me na e beifu nana enya me de wo kan ye no e na me transmogrified de amount ai dada na bibian sesan ye de boy so enyeye ye twa ye so enyeye yetim mom yanko enim nana me do aya ye de ye na me so me nka de ye mfa ho ye keka eye school one sem any health any other and your true story way it's exactly 11:07 in Ghana 11 p.m. Me catch a Ghana for say wow be show be after 8 p.m. or Ghana no jai na unya obi ama ne hwe ma catch them and the Ghana TV be allow silence TV the picture near fe bibia gina na so mo amoye show after 8 mo kan kire mo djuma for na mo boss say mo pese mo show the be nim 5 betumu for saa wow show after 8 p.m. or Ghana be o TV subiano movie bra be 6:30 because across the 8 obi anhwe oba radio so a me B2 oba Facebook a me B2 oba YouTube a me do be show oba TV so a me do be show enti mon kan kire mo boss for so mo fa mo mra nim omon fa mo mra nim na chenchen hene ba from 8 na ya nhwe wo show no enti de bia me tumofo yo this story too is another story I was say ye di hu nkomo sorry and it's got to do with a year scholarship. Yeah, uploadi. Yeah, delete ni uploadi. Some catch them. O made the navity we and you remember the delete ni uploadi new ones. Sa ko people say to 42 years. Yanko baby. NIB arrest Emmanuel Ofori for operating multiple fake social media accounts impersonating Ghana Scholarship Secretariat. Yes, I brand to Rasta. And the police for question. Adanya Rasta be account Odi dinkofo dream, Orian kofo sika through scholarship moves, scholarship fraud. Into no we be accounts. Sa branch no ne Kingsley Ajimamu ne yejuma. Omo anom scholarship secretariat no ne yejuma. Inti and then omo free power no. Still they are still operating. Omo be different platforms. Inti sa adwuma dia no mudi no eno na ende omo da hudi a ende NIB before akomoa eye Rasta. But we there no hard feelings. And there's one musician in Ghana, me penasem, and yenina infantifo takradefo. Or say Papi Kojo. Papi Kojo, this one there, I beg, make no diss me, I fool you. Now say me who the attentam, I want to say that a B. It takra on one eye, a very nice guy. But the man berry also kakro, you know, nanka ochichir pony na. And nanka otentam kakranka is our gazanka identification ko afio. The man berry to bet me use Uganda card, Papi. It is easier to change you looks. Aha. But also Papi kakra. Me we say Papi Kojo na ko chire sare nyon no. A very nice guy Papi Kojo abrofo mba na pe no into a B. Now, ya ko chire brantie we ye say eye the be a friend no. Eye scholarship fraud any akwachi no. Now story we obi beka say oh Kevin, sanyama we dey ekoso. Asema beka we eye asema a first scholarship secretariat ho under MPP and I don't normally talk on issues sebio end that table no so but Mitie Otumfuo Osei-Tutu kasa and same. Now I could see or feel the pain in Otumfuo Nakumem. And it's got to do with scholarship. And there Yana said Abrantewe Kingsley Agyemang, under MPP, he was in charge of scholarships in Ghana. Now I say Penyini Diamante. And Sebio said Otumfuo Oyamenana me asantini akwara me nyina asantime mu a mete asanteka satebe bidi mokodi nkyene bidi bofro nkwan da sebio me nipa bi a uhu misa no me do bi a intimi na ba akrope eye Otumfuo te dana mete so na masori na me do na se otie se Otumfuo kasa na bibi ye ne ya e wona kome mu a badwemba te se ye ne no ye tena se na ye busa ye ho se ede na ebetuma ye ama ewiase hu se nipa bi ebu nana nimtia. And this gentleman was disrespecting Otumfuo Osei-Tutu, and it's all about scholarships. Now tell me na NPP what power no. Asante for metie solokufo. Tell me na NPP what power no. Otumfuo Osei-Tutu ankasa etu ni chow. Efa wiem close to 5,000 miles. Eko America, eko pre-scholarship. Edema eye enkwara sebi ododo no efi ono no Otumfuo the educational foundation mu. Because Otumfuo or foundation bia or the share enkwara omo pe scholarship akwa abrochire omo hia moa enti Otumfuo eja sikedwa wo fie etena ehyan mu a sebio onam wiem no na eye one ne nyame ene aboso omo bo no ho ban etutu kwan kwa abrochire se okope moa e de ama mmaba wa ne mbebu no omo asantime mu a ne foundation no sebio eden sa foundation no ebo mo ho ban e mo support e wo school any addition. And the MPP, and this particular episode, I'm doing it because I want pain in there one anamuno. I want to speak it for Nana. Because so Otumfuo ko bien no kan asemo ya obi be gina bebia ka say Otumfuo eye politics. Now Otumfuo sebio o nipa bi a on person nipa bi no betia no. Enti nipa bi te say ye ne ye ginsam no ka. Say atenie ne ba na ye de ye bo age if say ye nana no ye do no pia onana. Into Mustadia in 2022, Otumfuo Osei-Tutu, etu ni nemu, enante eko Memphis in United States, America. Memphis University gives 50 million Ghana cedis worth of scholarships to Ghanaian students through Okyehene initiative. Wait, 26th of May 2023, and Otumfuo eba America. Ebe pre-scholarship edema eye MPP say momwa na santefo nkwara sebio dodo ne mpe school ende ewiase eniti abanti dodo ne peso mko school no me foundation nkwara dodo so benya edian abrochire akotoa omo school so ene Ghana fo a sebio omunima dia omo peso motoa omo school pon so e wo sebio abrochire no momma sa scholarship we nyina enkava omo Otumfuo ede sa scholarship we ebaye ono ne tu ne nemu eko America eko di sa nkomo no ne initiative no. Now MPP no more power. And Otumfuo say me menhia enye Ghana Education Service Office. Menhia enye Ministry of Education Office. Menhia hinie ne edin wa ha. Sa scholarship ya ye ne Memphis through me ye de aba no. Scholarship secretariat monje. Na sa scholarship secretariat mo handle scholarships no. Sebio de oye ahwehwema de no ontafre nsa ho kwa efise sa wona ye ahwehwema de a eden a onsa bebon ahwehwade nti at least enya kura no na nka se Otumfuo na nanom a omo Otumfuo Educational Fund no dodo no de at least scholarship yo qualify nko ade a wo se eden ye de omo ko Memphis university emom ko sua eden ade na omo de bebo asanteman mo hwa de bi esi Otumfuo ko ba na scholarship no estate say eden ekos no. Remember say eba scholarship ana ye ka say aban bi any school bi assign a contractor scholarship nti no ma sign a the si nyina say one salaries and a tuition and they play a vital role. Now ye ka salaries ebia sika a wo se tu omo bosim bia and ye wo bibia e fe no den stipends. Salary no and change but stipends it varies. The reason why in tia stipends no changing in the say depending the kind of course wo ye no stipends no betumi change. Now this is what happens. No, sorry. stipends no ene ne sika de ma wototo to eno en change. But what happens say what we call tuition no, school fees no. Enti say obi ko Memphis akọ scholarship into okwa. Obi a ebia okoye basic agriculture. Obi so okoye ebia science. Yen basic. Because courses are different in I am not tuition and as a school fees no esesa. But when it comes to pocket money no esesa. Every student say $100, obienya $100 a month. Inti the salary of the school fees and also tuition, it is constant. It does not move. The school fees it changes depending the course nipa no ko offer. But when it comes to pocket money, a friend of stipends now, those ones in the ensesa. Obi a obeko Memphis bia whether you are doing PhD or there monthly, aban say your mom $100, obi a benya $100. But when it comes to students fees na yetua dia. It changes, it varies because different courses and idea in for a year. And you need to get that in your head. Now, into 2 for any Memphis for sign contract a year agreement BBR or Debema a year Kingsley Ajiman Scholarship Secretariat and the MPP no. Kingsley Ajiman would say I was say opeko ti kwan bi so na odi sa otumfo ade okoye no ewiesika. Enti dia na Kingsley Ajiman dia na oyeye. Kingsley Ajiman esa ede de sa nyoma because aban bi ana ekuro bi any school bi sign and say almost sign agreement to say ye de enkwara beba ha ma we school a majority of the time no ye nim say ekuro no almost shada niska into school na technically almost bear a lot of the cost. You better expect say school no ebe take care of maybe accommodation. School no one way or the other they might take care of maybe health. Omo pomudin maybe a person can school to take care of some of the materials they need. Intiana abina ana ekono effort says school be take a lot of the burden. Send a scholarship secretariat in Ghana and able to create because the more the school takes the burden, more of the burden ewa akrani school no. Ema yene so ya hu hinha me etua sika ne kakrebi. But Kingsley Ajiman bibi. What he did was that otumfo kwa bibi awie no na Kingsley Ajiman ba fie. Ena die no ye ono abe create amendment sa agreement na otumfo ne Memphis for signing ye no as the CEO of a scholarship secretariat and the MPP no obe drafted on one person amendment osisa emra no opese osisem adenti na osisem because idea ni nyina ne say osisem a sa bed na e wo senka school no efa dodo no sesia no o shifted bed ni begu Ghana ban so into the school is spending $20,000 a month on each student. Component na a man by $20,000 no. Kingsley Ajiman efa koti kwan so yimu be $15,000 esade be good scholarship secretariat so send be Ghana ban mom de be TSS ka no abranka school na nka so omo incur that debt no. Kingsley Ajiman efa nipa bia oye middleman e wo Memphis school ho. It what happens they say sa sika no ana component na $20,000 a month. Example, anka ose school no de boa student no. Kingsley Ajiman $15,000 e de be good Ghana scholarship sika no so. Send be Ghana mom e be tua sika no. And this means to say he will be sending more students to the school because the more students he sends to the school takes a lot of the burden and throws it back to Ghana Scholarship Secretariat, which he has control over their budget. Into only a bit decided. Now, what he does is say school no edgy burden na amendment no burden na nka say school take it in the form of money no or divert it sa burden be good scholarship secretariat so and or use a middleman or this school no den air coordinate and or the receive sa sika no component no through a middleman no. And to look at this into share when you look at this document amendment now who read the amendment now you can see clearly I mean biem na men show dwuma omde di otumfo me obeka say oh omabo kro no ade no na ba mbesa mo ti ase say MPP Kingsley Ajiman mo kro mo bu otumfo wonim say Memphis for scholarship na nipa be 192 students ena omko eye scholarship ekonya scholarship e Memphis otumfo that initiative no e ba you at the end of the day otumfo education for nipa 3 pe and MPP for form nipa 3 and then you had the chance to go to Memphis under Kingsley Ajiman. Sa nipa 195 na omunya no. Nipa 143 students a omunya sa scholarship no. Emu trepe na efri otumfo education fund ni mu. Miensa nipa miensa pe enu nti na otumfo nya opportunity to speak about scholarship no okan sa asem mu nti otumfo asem okan ye o say wo de mu ntie
ever says overhead no nyan ma ba nya mon tasim to ye de mo de beto aban ni mo ni asu ye hweso
Jean
mo bi e wo say de po bi am ye bi e be bo am
Jean
no he ba mo dia mo tintin.
Now let me remind you and I'm mefa statement 20 sa video we the current scholarship secretariat boss asafoje any ni group any some dignitaries and amuko pay otumfo or say to a visit to tell them say ejuma omo ye when it comes to scholarship any ade eno na ma otumfo so e kan asem ntum yen kotie otumfo yi se na be obehu bebia the manager so kan asem we
ever says overhead no nyan ma ba nya mon tasim to ye de mo de beto aban ni mo ni asu ye hweso
Jean
mo bi e wo say de po bi am ye bi e be bo am
Jean
no he ba mo dia mo tintin no ma re na e kuma Memphis de ne de ka ho wa nya ne sa ho a scholarship pa akada
So,
ne sa ho ta de ndi ya na men so scholarship say Memphis for mo de ma ye ni tua say yen so ye tua say ni na atro brem scholarship me de ma na krata hu avede ye ba aveye ni e ko Ghana ba ko pe busia ene enwumi enta ya na enye bi
Jean
na da sem za de ne ne ye mpinu ya na enye se ni na atro brem scholarship me de ma na krata hu avede ye ba aveye ni e ko Ghana ba ko pe busia ene enwumi enta ya na enye bi
Jean
na da sem za de ne ne ye mpinu
it later na otumfo just this year and realizes say scholarship according to Memphis by under MPP no omoma ni nipa miensa pe the foundation no nipa miensa pe out of the nipa 192 no otumfo no kofa by na MPP for man miensa pe dia kanyina mu twadiye and it was all under the leadership of Abrante your friend Kingsley Ajiman na ma menchiro de ya wasenu mu nyina we put the time in cash me be chiro dream and kofo we di as much as we are trying to put these people in jail akwa we ochina yekochina obi beka say NDC for tatankofo akwa we ende yekochina sika owie ro da kotina parliament parliamentary immunity internal person ochina or the speaker has to grant you access before you can and I'm pleading with the speaker of parliament sankofo we nyina no right now parliament is in recess. Speaker of Parliament needs to put a statement out that no parliamentarian should refuse any call by any security agency when it comes to investigations. They need to pick him up. But you see, they have tried picking him up and he's hiding behind, I'm in Parliament. And the almost friend is Ombra or say they should come to Parliament House and pick him because he knows to say he will get that immunity. Sika Oria or a scholarship secretariat and then local Ria Aba Ediba Parliament. But let's keep this in the fridge. Now, otumfo ko for scholarship de buy no and na Kingsley Ajiman ebetena fie ka say no sa agreement na otumfo ko sensan na otumfo ka say hwe adada asem no eye ne ye na kumam na this year dodo ananka e wo se nkomunya scholarship no MPP fo ya o omodi ni nyina dog adehye no otumfo sebio waye nkwase adwuma enti eye na ya ba onyo obi anka na asem nkire no asem no ye na ya e che me chanchan hene ena metumenya abotre dwudwom ama PZ fo asankregwa sebio bekwaifo ate ase se MPP no omummu otumfo ma menkyere we bia eya wasem nim eti Kingsley Ajiman ne MPP fo ba na so dabi asantefo de sebio omagimi omohene na kwaje eye scholarship naba ye betume twi omwadi de na oyeye ena Kingsley Ajiman. After this show we will publish this amendment on our TV on our platform. You can read it. Inti omubai no be omankasa amendment. Now amendment na Kingsley Ajiman be no. On a normal day, say ope say Memphis for school no bed na sebio omo carry no. Omo yibi begu Ghana for so enye omo momu na nka omo ka say hey we are incurring a lot of debt because students ne ba you spending too much money. Kingsley Agyeman mom na be amendment no e na o send come Memphis for say e kare damos no ye pese mu ye mu be 70% this swaye e na o amendment na amendment mu no o tro ade bi om ene ko ne twa kumem ene na otumfo hu ye otumfo ya it was study between the University of Memphis and Ghana Scholarship Secretariat, Ghana. Now, this first amendment is made by and between the University of Memphis, and Ghana Scholarship Secretariat, Ghana, and is made effective upon the final date of execution. The parties agrees as follows. Now, who read the document in amendment Kingsley Agyeman na. I'm not going to bore you with all the things that has been written here. Baby, I did what your second page in him. When we finish, we will publish this document for you to read. First of all, me pesa o check here DB. Amendment no. Who date na Ghana Scholarship Secretariat is signing your na. It was the 24th of January 2024. It was the registrar in a title, name Dr. Kingsley Agyeman, or no any sign on behalf of Ghana Scholarship Secretariat. Now, o check the University of Memphis. Omo date na omo de sign sa amendment we no na the 26th of January 2024. Meaning Kingsley Agyeman edin kind sign ye and sana Memphis for a signing. Meaning he drafted it, he signed it, forwarded it to Memphis and said, put your signature on it. And amendment in say, bad na Memphis for air carry to spend money on our students. You know, Kingsley Agyeman catch Memphis for some one time Sikanimegu Ghana Scholarship Secretariat. So yeni we will bear the costs. Yeni a yekope scholarship no. And say school no mum den fa ho kano. Wakwaji about 70%. The initial contract anymore. But the reason why he does that and say, Sa Sikana or say Memphis from to Scholarship Secretariat to Sono, Sa Sikana ebe because the more money that comes to him, no, he can load more students. The more students that goes to Memphis, no, the school, the burden the school is carrying, they will shift it on a Ghana Scholarship Secretariat, and that money will come to him. Now, let me show you something. So we read the last paragraph of amendment where I think the best shock. The university, TO, or say the university shall invoice Ghana's Scholarship Secretariat for these additional costs. At the same time, university invoices Ghana Scholarship Secretariat for costs prescribed in Exhibit A, and payment shall be remitted by Ghana Scholarship Secretariat to university not later than 30 days after receipt of such invoice. In the event payment is not received by university within 30 days, any outstanding balance owed to university shall accrue interest in an amount equal to 15% for each day after the due date until paid in full. What you say? Mamin san kan chiro. Amendment na Kingsley Agyeman na or signing on the 24th of January 2024. Na ye ba beto ba election year no. Or signing send come Memphis someone signing. Na Memphis for ko muawa. Say mo amu pe scholarship no. Sa ekana ye no momu ye inkio no. Mo scholarship secretary say yenyi sa ekano sa fa meto omo ankasa so no muntua. Into read the letter na or see say ye bedi mo ka anase sa fees no e wo say etua na ye ntua. It will incur 15% into say $200,000 and now $50,000 or say I was say Ghana Scholarship Secretariat etua 15% of that amount, and every day biana sikano yentua edabia babetoso every single day sa sikana yedi omokan yebetua 15% of that amount until the full payment is made. Into readia or say in the event payment is not received by university within 30 days, say abedi university car, say Ghana Scholarship Secretariat under Kingsley Agyeman, so omobedi university the car. Now say within 30 days, any outstanding balance owed to university shall accrue interest in an amount equal to 15%. Or say yentumia eka every single day. Sa ekana down ebe accrue interest of 15% until Ghana Scholarship Secretariat pays that money in full. Now remember, sa agreement we Kingsley signing on the 24th of January, and a Memphis for signing on the 26th of January. Meaning Kingsley drafted the DN or in a drafty amendment, and or the man a Memphis for someone signing. Into a scholarship secretariat now can see a Sikano. Kingsley is rather directing Memphis University say, Munji Sika more. Now, do you know the funny thing? All these scholarship things they do, they are middlemen in the school. I am a man for the co school work negotiations because and they're Ghana for Sasika we or Samutia into that money that has been put there. No, Sasikano school nibetia percentage to the middleman who basically is between a scholarship secretariat and Memphis University. Now, this happened in January 2024. Make sure damage, I don't get you 2-4-2. Anything and then Nanaka na kume mo ene ya MPP na ye tin o menhia no MPP no sebio omasa etwi otumfo edi nipa 192 no emu 3 pe na eye otumfo education fund student a omunya opportunity nipa 3 otumfo na kwa abrochire kofa scholarship we initiative we baye nipa miensa pe but nipa 193 no ni nyina na eye MPP for deal. Now, do you understand? My mention the danger. Adie bi omoye, Mr. S. Now, Obibeka say, thank you, team. Additional cost na omode kan say school no empushi embegu eye dien. Eye scholarship secretariat no ebi ne dien. Say nkora no eco scholarship and also omutu kwan say scholarship nti no muko school ya. Your cost bi wo ha. Majority no time no aya na eye schools no na best sa cost no enti ebinie ma mencho sa cost ni bi eno na Kingsley Agyeman eka kire Memphis for dabi sa cost no mo fangu yeso ye betua ebinie enti ye ka additional cost. These are some of the additional costs aya na ka Ghana Statistical Scholarship Secretariat will now pay more than just tuition. And your school fees keke no betua ma student no omo pese omo sa tua health insurance ma student no abra school no. Technically, sometimes, schools no more bridge, no mutia. Kingsley Agyeman ka some family omo betua. Secondly, maybe it is a housing accommodation. More times, I am schools, university, and a housing student, Kingsley Agyeman ka say Memphis, omo family to a scholarship secretariat, so omo betua. Maybe it is other cost related fees outside the tuition. Sa nyoma we nyina no. At the end of the day, nanka say Memphis for the housing, a health, a Kingsley Agyeman ka chomo say omo family gu Ghana e scholarship secretariat is omubetia. Sa amendment no and or yet come out or signing 24th. Memphis for so ready 2 days after. I'm say okay boy, where the Ghana for and say a cano omope and almost sign here. Yeah, yan say sa eka we intimate on time 15%. It accrues interest of 15% until we pay the debt. Now here. Bunim Jima MPP for Oma mafia 2-4 oh ya wine MPP Oma mafia Nyankopon Cathedral and 2-4-2 Oma sa mafia sikeja asa MPP omuno mawie. Now the most dangerous thing is the same 2024 na Kingsley Agyeman amended 2-4 agreement with Memphis no the same 2024 no Kingsley Agyeman ya adiebi mame chira adiebi. This is what he did. June na ka 6 months na yakoto aba. Naka just 6 months ni akotoaba. Kingsley Agyeman release a statement. Na Otrokoma the education minister, foreign affairs ministry. Dia no Troye. 6 months to elections. January no sign oya amendment e Memphis for deal no. June 10th of June suspension of scholarship awards. Kingsley Agyeman Otrokoma foreign affairs ministry say opese suspended scholarship award. June, remember. June. Now, this is what happened. The Ghana Scholarship Secretariat presents its compliment to the Honorable Minister and respectfully write to inform you of the decision to suspend proceeding of new scholarship award effective 6th of June 2024. Kingsley Agyeman letter command education foreign affairs ministry in 2024 say opese suspended awards of scholarship totally. The reasons in the end. Or say the decision follows extensive consultations with key stakeholders and a directive by government on the need to rationalize debt obligations arising from delay in fulfillment and settlement of scholarship commitment due beneficiaries abroad. We are by this letter respectfully requesting your kind support in disseminating this decision to all our stakeholders on the bilateral scholarship arrangements. For the avoidance of doubt, participating countries in the bilateral scholarship are as follows: Algeria, Morocco, Russia, Hungary, Serbia, France, China, and Cuba. Please accept the assurances of our highest consideration. Dr. Kingsley Ajiman, Registrar of Scholarships, June 10th, 2024. Okase omon suspended a year what we call scholarships in Ghana because abani nisika abani problems obligations be also meaty into your suspended a year what we call scholarships, whether bilateral scholarship or whatever. Kingsley Ajiman said sikeni ho. Remember, just in January, wakacha Memphis for say costs na eda omoswa omode eboa scholarship for no omofo ni nyina megunu, so that's fine. It's okay. Now, do you know what happened? What happened was that after Kingsley Ajiman released this statement June 10th, 2024, something interesting happened. For the 8 years now, Mameka Bibincha, when you'll be shocked. For the 8 years now, NPP, Ebetina power no. For the 8 years no. NPP, when you go to the UK alone, they awarded scholarship worth £32 million. From 2017 to 2025 January, NPP awarded contract scholarships UK £32 million. £32 million. Now, when you shocking about this, what letter we? You see this letter? When he wrote to the Ministry of Foreign Affairs, he said, "Amon suspended a scholarships in Ghana no. Between October 2024, June, July, August, September, October, after 4 months, no, what he did was that he awarded contract worth a scholarship worth £19 million only in the UK, and that is the list." June 10th, and our letter come out, Foreign Affairs Ministry say, "Sikenu mama ye nyeden, mama ye ma a scholarship biem." Right after 4 months, or to me awarded from October to a year January 2025, no. Kingsley Ajiman, Scholarship Secretariat, awarded scholarship on £19 million. And when you look at the list, this is a spreadsheet. Students, Foreign, United Kingdom. Sorry, June 2024, January 2025. Where June? From June now, Ocho letter come out, a year Foreign Affairs Ministry say, "Sikeni wo, mama ye ma a year scholarship biem no." The same June, no, he started awarding contract. From June 2024 now, Ocho letter come out, Foreign Affairs say, "Mama ye ma scholarship biem no." The same June, no, he started giving contract to UK. From June 2024 to January 2025, no, £19 million. Scholarship no my 19 million. When you subtract 19 million from a year 32 million, the ebekano and a chair ma ewiase afa na nyina UK nkwa the 32 million 19 million pounds scholarship na UK nkwa ekoye. And that is the list. I can show you. We will publish the list. Every single one of them. These are the scholarships. 19 million pounds within 6 months. 2024 June to January 2025. Or awarded 19 million. For the 8 years MPP Tina Power, no, they awarded UK 32 million pounds scholarship. Nina MPP for the constituency for party executives. 19 million pounds. And you see, recently me say a year students be more UK say by a demonstration. Majority of these students, they were all awarded this illegal scholarships. Go UK. Almost the 32 million pounds and I bet to Ghana so. And most of them, we want them to demonstrate. Maybe some will demonstrate because you see, we have the list of all these students. Omuna MPP UK. Every day, they have a problem with the ambassador. We are going to demonstrate. Yes, stipends, yes, school fees. These were the same people. Kingsley Ajima, Moses UK. And we are the ones bearing the cost. 32 million pounds. Now, the 32 million pounds, for the 8 years MPP what power. You can go for 6 months on 19 million pounds. You can go. And those are the students of Mugu. UK, be a police, a security for, be a Juma, a funeral homes. Almost sorry, no more come together. We are going to demonstrate. Me see, we are waiting for you people. We are waiting for you people because majority of this scholarship or see UK no money 90% of the scholarship we need to cancel it because they are not there schooling. The 19 million pounds worth of scholarship over UK 90% a fake ningina a connection at Kingsley Ajiman or no catch June 10 to say near my scholarship within 6 months the same month or starting my scholarship you can go 19 million pounds worth of scholarship in the UK. 19 million. And I have the spreadsheet here. I have every single person. All of them. I have all of them and I'll publish it. And all these people, UK, every day, a bear demonstration. We are going to the consulate. We are going to distract the ambassador. These are the people. Now you understand. The Speaker of Parliament needs to release a statement, say, no parliamentarian is under the protection of Parliament when it comes to investigations. This guy can be picked up because you see, NDC are buying mobile free power. This guy has committed a crime. How can you, in 8 years, give scholarship about 32 million pounds? Now you can go 19 million pounds. Why? And you see, the nauseating part of this whole thing is June 10th, and releases a letter, but the same June started to say, ordering Kofoko UK, 19 million pounds worth of a scholarship. And you know the funny thing, Sasika no the campaign, it is a maintaining seat, because now 6 months near Kotwaba. So he needed to create an avenue to steal money to make sure he wins the seats. Sasika no the 2 a year edian, or the 2 a year action police a year attachia. It is Sasika way, it did not go to the government of Ghana. Sa Ekawena in Kiono, all the money went to Kingsley Ajiman. Or the Sasika over 19 million pounds. It is with him. And these are not physical money that you will see. They did it in the strategic format. It was so difficult to track. And that is what they did. And it's now Omugu UK wa. Oba said, no my friend from Munya demonstration. Mungwa Bananimas, they are all. And right now, the scholarship secretariat is auditing the list. And every single person be a what the Kululu scholarship echo UK Oba Ghana will say jail because you committed a crime. So people are going to be jailed. We are going to deport people from the UK to come and stand trial in Ghana because Unim say you did not deserve the scholarship. You paid money to get a scholarship. You have committed a crime. You are not even supposed because the taxpayers' money in the Amawidi. Into more Muslim you can mobile demonstration. You're a student. Majority of your democracy, you stand trial. But say jail. Because most of you guys, MPP for some go UK, no, I'm boy Sakano. This guy, Kingsley Ajiman, dangerous guy. Into Okyehene local rap parliament. Into Panachina, also, I'm a member of parliament, parliamentary immunity. I am pleading with the Speaker of Parliament. You need to release a statement that Parliament is in recess. Every member of Parliament, as a member of Parliament, come and help with investigations. You need to avail yourself. There's nothing like parliamentary immunity now. Speakers should make this clear because that is what these people are doing. Intende, NIB, BNI, whatever, when they call him, I'm in parliament. You can't arrest me. Parliament is not in session. So why is this guy using parliament? They need to pick him up.
The NPP cannot be underestimated. You know it, I know it.